Hello everyone and welcome here. So today we are going to make a raisin coasters. Yes, you heard me right. Today we are going to create a beautiful raisin coasters. Let me show you how it looks like. Here these we have created using an Insta Transfers on the mold, and today we will be using acrylic as a base, and on that we will be creating a beautiful floral magic. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so do it right now. So for that, first we will require a required acrylic coaster base. You can also use a mold. For the mold, we have a different separate videos. You can check it on our channel. So today I'm taking acrylic coaster, which always comes protected with the paper, but to make it scratch free. So I'm removing paper from both the side. Here you go. It's very simple and easy. It comes in a like pack of 6 coasters. Today we are going to work on the first one. So this is one we have prepared already by removing all the paper from outside. All you will need is an Insta Transfers. You can see a lot of elephant prints and animal prints around me, and you can also use a floral prints. So today we are going to use a floral print here. So this is a mini Insta Transfers. What you need to do is, once you take this one, try to cut from external things absolutely as near as you can. You have to remove all your white space. So I'm just cutting it around as much as near I can. The base what you take needs to be a white color to get the print more stand out better and loud and clear. So do not use any darker background. Here we are using a white coaster. It's absolutely magical. I just love this, how it gets transferred quickly on any surface. So here we have removed all the extra background, and as near as I can, I've cut this one, and now we have to remove the plastic film from the top. Do not forget this step. Plastic film top se nikalna is very important. After removing, I'm gonna place it on center of my coaster here. Press it very well with your finger. You can just give it a good pressure. Now take a plain water, absolutely plain water, and we will just apply the plain water on the sheet. You can apply with a sponge or a brush. Once it's done, we will wait for 1 or 2 seconds to get it absorbed. Come quickly and just press it once. Here you go. Now either you can slide it or either you can peel it off. I prefer peeling is more easy. So here I'm doing a peeling option. And look at this. Just in no time, a plain white coaster has converted into beautiful floral design. So we have a lot of designs in this, more than 100 designs. You can choose your favorites, whichever you love it, and you can use any of them. So we will allow it Insta Transfer to settle down now nicely before we seal it with the resin. You can also seal it with the varnish, but resin we are using it to make it a completely washable. So resin you can use either 2:1 ratio, or you can use a UV resin. In this video, to make it a little quickly and faster, I'll be using my UV resin here. So this one is almost settled down, and I'm taking UV resin. You can also use 2:1 ratio. Any resin works well on this. We'll take out a little on the glass. I already have some in my glass, and I'm just going to pour it on my print. After pouring, just lift it up or raise it somewhere and allow it to spread it very well, evenly every side. Here I think I'll need some more. I'll be using directly from my bottle. And just keep a cup of glass below. Now let's pour it directly from the bottle. And keep spreading evenly. When you use 2:1 ratio, it takes around 8 to 10 hours to dry completely, and this will take about 2 to 3 minutes to dry under the UV lights. So I've spreaded my UV resin all over the coasters. Now just taking a stick and making sure it reaches all the edges well and not dripping outside. Once you're satisfied with the even layer, to dry this one, I'll be using my UV lights. This will take at least 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let me know in the comment section from which part of the world you're watching this video, and did you like these tutorial or no, and which print you would like to try your hands on. So here our resin and hardener is almost semi-dry. We can just touch this. To make it completely curable, we will use it 2 minutes. So here this is completely cured, and look at this result. It's smooth finish and absolutely usable and washable just in no time. So here we have created few more. I'll just share with you the prints. This is the elephant one, and this was the floral one. You can just choose any design of your choice from our website, and we have a lot of options available. So to try your hands quickly, visit www.icraftdesign.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.